Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of performance as Toyota gears up to launch the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota GR Corolla. Building on the success of its predecessors, this new model is set to be a true game changer in the hot hatch segment. The 2026 GR Corolla promises to deliver an exhilarating driving experience that enthusiasts have been waiting for. Under the hood, it's rumored to feature a turbocharged 1.6-liter three-cylinder engine, churning out an impressive 300 horsepower. Whether you're a fan of the manual or the automatic experience, Toyota is expected to offer both a spirited 6-speed manual transmission and an innovative 8-speed direct shift automatic, ensuring that drivers get the best of both worlds. Its rally-bred all-wheel drive system will provide exceptional traction and handling, making it ready for both the city streets and winding back roads. Design-wise, the new GR Corolla builds on its rugged heritage with a fresh and aggressive front fascia, larger air intakes, and functional brake cooling ducts that not only look stunning, but also enhance performance. Expect matte black 18-inch forged wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport tires, which perfectly complement its compact yet robust stance. Despite its sporty design, the GR Corolla remains practical with a well-engineered cabin that offers a digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system. As for the release date, industry insiders predict that the 2026 GR Corolla will hit dealerships in early 2026, with production ramping up by the end of 2025. Given Toyota's track record of balancing performance with value, we can also expect the price to reflect its premium engineering. Experts are forecasting a price range in the ballpark of $42,000 to $48,000, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts looking for high performance without breaking the bank. Moreover, Toyota is rumored to include cutting-edge technology features such as enhanced safety systems, adaptive cruise control, and an upgraded infotainment interface that seamlessly integrates with modern smartphones. In summary, the upcoming 2026 Toyota GR Corolla is shaping up to be a perfect blend of power, precision, and style. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest news on this exciting new release. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.